In this part, what we'll do is very small. This is a disadvantage of series circuit. Okay, we already know that in the A we did series and B we did parallel. Why parallel is better than series, or why the series has some disadvantage? Let us see. As you see in the series, resistance increases. Resistance is not good. Okay, resistance means the current is not allowed to flow through it. If the resistance is very high, very less current will flow, but we want more current to flow. So that is why things you cannot connect in series. Suppose you have fridge here and then connected again TV here. If you are connecting them in series, okay, and then you are using bulb, whatever it is, then same current will pass through them, right? And this resistance of them, all the three, will be added together. So this R will be R1, R2, R3. So very high resistance will be there. Effective resistance will be very high. That will make the fridge work very inefficiently. Not very well it will work. TV also will not work well. Bulb will also not work well. This is the one reason, first reason. Okay, number one. Number two, if one component fails, suppose this is broken, something happened here, then you see the current will not flow from here. The current was going from here, it will not go there. If it is breaking here, suppose one component is here, another component is here, but another component is here. Suppose it is breaking here. If something breaks here, what will happen? The current was passing same current here, but it will stop going here. If your fridge is wrong, your TV will also not work, bulb will also not go. So you don't want this. Okay, but in parallel what you see, I'm making very rough diagram. Okay, in parallel you see, suppose you have fridge, TV and bulb. Fridge is wrong means nothing will happen because this current is still going here. Some part of this current is going. Okay, only one will be disturbed. Okay, all will not be broken. So these are the two advantages. You should be able to write in your words. Okay, that is the fact. Okay, thanks. This is all in series and parallel. In the next lecture, we will start doing the numericals. Okay, thank you.